Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to share how to get your money from cash refund, right? That will be in FirstCry account. So I'm going to just get it, how to get it from FirstCry. So this is the website, right? You need to check on your cash in my account. For that you need to go and cash in my account, you can select like this. So see here I have 2949.06 in my account. So I'm going to get this refund now. Click this refund now. So here cash refund, right? So just come down, all over the down, refund amount back to me. Here, yes, bank account transfer. Here I'm going to select this. I'm going to give my bank account number. This is especially for Indian guys. So click this refund amount. I think totally you should put 6 zeros. Okay. Your refund has been initiated. You will receive the fund as per the timelines below. See, that's our 10 to 15 working days. So back to my account. See, it's 0 now. So no cash in my account. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you. Bye.